Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful infographic using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Let's first enable the rulers and then create horizontal and vertical guides by dragging over each of these rulers as shown. Select each of these guides and then align them to center and middle. Before you align, just make sure Align to Artboard is selected here. Now right click on any one guide and lock their positions. Next go to Shape section and then select Ellipse Shape. Draw a circle through center of Artboard holding down Alt and Shift keys. Change its fill color and increase its opacity to see through. Next go to Shape section and then draw a rounded rectangle by intersecting some of its portion with the circle shape. Make it completely rounded. Adjust the size as per design requirement and reduce its opacity to see through. Next drag the shape holding down Alt key to create a duplicate and place it at the lower section as shown. Similarly create one more duplicate and place it along the horizontal axis. Next select all these three rectangle shapes holding down Shift key and then choose Reflect tool. Let's click at the center of circle as a point of reflection and now holding down Alt key, rotate these shapes and place them as mirror image. Next drag over and select all these shapes and then choose Shape Builder tool. Hold down Alt key and click on middle section to remove it. Release the Alt key and then click on section to fragment them. So each of these intersecting portions are now separate sections. Let's quickly change the colors of these intersecting sections using Eyedropper tool. Next select all the rectangle shapes holding down Shift key and then apply gradient fill pattern. Change the gradient top colors to light grey and white color and adjust the angle by 90 degrees. Now select left three rectangle shapes and then go to Effect menu. Under Stylish section, select the Drop Shadow option. Adjust the X offset by +7 and then click on OK. Next select right side three rectangle shapes and then go to Drop Shadow option. Adjust the X offset by -7 and then click on OK. That looks perfect. Next we will create the background using rectangle shape. Draw it to cover entire artboard and then format it with radial gradient. Adjust the gradient effect using gradient tool and then send it to back. Go to Object menu and then lock this background shape. Finally, add all text fields and PNG icons onto our design. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview of this beautiful infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.